We all sometimes feel like it's time for a change, and this is especially true for our hair. However, it's not always easy to change hair color. We fear the end result won't be quite as expected, or maybe we would like a look that is only temporary. Here are 4 tips to help you create beautiful, temporary looks. Ooh la la! This hair is so dull. I wish it was shinier, but I don't want to use any chemical dyes that could damage it. Coffee! What a good smell. Oh, and what a beautiful color. That gives me an idea. Why not put some in my hair? You heard right. I'm gonna make a natural hair coloring product with coffee. It's actually quite simple. You just need to prepare a strong cup of espresso, or steal the one your friend is drinking while she has her back turned. Start with pouring the coffee into a bowl and add the same amount of white honey. Then you'll need a cup of cider vinegar or white vinegar. Mix well until the honey has blended completely with the rest of the ingredients. And finally, add 3 tablespoons of coffee grounds. Now it is time to put an old t-shirt so you don't destroy your beautiful clothes. Before you start, make sure your hair is clean. You can soak the ends of your hair a few minutes for a beautiful shaded effect. Then let it sit for about 30 minutes so that the solution has time to stick to your hair. Remember that the result may vary from one hair type to the other. Everyone's hair is different. Now it's time to rinse. All you have left to do is dry your hair to reveal the result. That's it! Here you are with a new and beautiful shaded effect in your hair. The color will fade after a few washes, so keep your color strong. You have to repeat the treatment about every 2 weeks. Do you like the look coming straight out of Unicorn Land? Is your hair clean? Perfect! All you need to start is soft pastels. First, choose a color. For me, it will be blue. Then apply the pastel at about 2/3 down from your roots and side downwards. Rub the pastel on your hair several times until the section is completely covered. Then use a thermal spray to protect your hair against heat. You can now straighten or curl your hair as you please. The heat will help seal the color. I feel like curling my hair, so here is a quick and pretty curl. Now let's move on to adding another color. Let's go with pink. I love this color and I love it even more in my hair. Wow! For the third color, I'll choose purple, but you can create all kinds of effects and different looks with pastels. So let the artist in you free and let your imagination do the work. If your hair is dark and the color does not show enough, you can slightly wet your hair and twist it before applying the pastel. This will give you a more pronounced color. All I'm missing is a touch of makeup to complete my great look. There, with this look, you can be sure not to go unnoticed. The color will disappear completely after 1 or 2 shampoos. It's now time for the moment of truth. Will my friend like my new look? Yes, she loves it. It is a success. Would you like to add a twinkle twist to your hair? Perhaps for a special evening or for a photo shoot. It is so simple to do. You will need hair gel to start. Pour a little bit into a bowl and add some ultra-thin glitter with the color of your choice. Don't hesitate to try several dosages to find what suits you best. Tie up your hair and make sure to smooth it out on top of your head. Once your hairstyle is to your taste, you can apply the sparkling gel with a brush or directly with your fingers. However, if you do use fingers, consider wearing gloves, because we quickly discovered that a disadvantage of glitter is glitter. We ended up putting it everywhere. So you can apply the glitter to loose hair and go for something completely wild, like multicolored glitter or stars. Or perhaps you want to go the other way by using glitter close to your hair color for a more discreet look. Let it dry for a few seconds and voila! A sparkling new look that is sure to turn heads. The great thing about temporary colors is that you can try out different looks without any commitment. It's a wonderful way to let your imagination roam free and even get off the beaten track. It can be an opportunity to be bold and test out some non-conventional colors. So in the spirit of creativity and different ideas, why not create a new awesome look for your dog? After all, there are plenty of good reasons for doing so, like a dog contest, a festival, or simply for taking some fun and original photos. So how do we dye our dog's hair in a way that's completely safe? Prepare a bowl with a cup of hot water and add 2 cans of concentrated Kool-Aid juice. Then pour the colored liquid into a spray bottle. Protect the surface with a plastic cover to avoid damage. Okay, now you need a dog. Where did it go again? Here, doggy, doggy. A tip, if your faithful companion is of the very energetic type, doggy, here, doggy, doggy. It may be better to wait until your dog takes a nap before starting the realization of your masterpiece. Once your dog is calmer, protect the sections of hair that you do not want to dye and sprinkle the rest with colored water. Make sure you saturate the fur by soaking it thoroughly. Let the dye sit for about 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing it off. Now just wait until your dog dries. Wow, we love the result. Let's go, it's time to take some pictures. We bet these photos won't go unnoticed when you publish them on your favorite social network.